fatasi le li mautou. Faafetaia le alofa ma le agalelei faasoasoa tatou mataisili le lagi taʻitaʻi mai loutou soifua so matou ola le afia o le ua sitaulaga me se foi o tiakono faletua na lii fesoasoani mo latou faletua su foi le aufaigaluega titofi a le atua so se fata faitaulaga lea ua uma ona tolo tutu pala le sui o le kalesia tatou ave lea i le atua o le faafetai i le atua o tatou silafai i luma o nuu ai le atua o nuu afio mai su mai tala mai o ao tatou osi lenei taulaga faafetai ai le atua ona mesisili e faia e le atua soifua ma le ola ai mese le faamoemoe o le kalesia katoliko si umu nei sa fauao faupō ia aviia le atua o lea ua tino mai faafoʻi la e ala lenei taulaga pagalea o tatou lava o tagata e aatui le atua e ai taimi tatou te agasala ai lo tatou vatapuia ma le atua tatou faatoese iā te ia ia mai tatou lenei taulaga e paia o te taʻutaʻu i le atua o le ona e manauma tosoi o tuasala le maoa amiona ma faia taʻaina le faia o sala o tuasala mea faia faia mai faia o tatou ia ia wale mea faia uma no tosoi o tuasala le ia ia faia tatou le tua le ona uma samagalu tatou mea tatou sala Mabatu tatou le ola e whaowana. Mātou te whātai atu i atu oe molo wāngalele. Mātou te au i atu i lau whiu. Whāsaoloto ina mātou mai leanga ui. Ia mātou au nai i atu oe ma le fia. Ia so umalava o lo mātou o langa. O lo mātou o lenga le nia latu lo mātou le Yesu Keriso lo wālu. So i fumu le whātasi ma oe ma le anganga pa ia. O le atua e tūtasi mo le whaababau lawa. Amen.
pa ia Luka. O le mta upu se fulu malfitu. O le fola le lima e o atu se fulu. O le matua ana a fai ua tusalo o tau whātuatua. Ona whai mai lea la wa apostolo i le ali. Ia e whātuk tele ina lo mātou whātuatua. Ua whetala iatu le ali. Ana whai ua tusalo o tau whātuatua ma le fua o sinapi. Ua ua mwhai ona o tau whai atu i le neisu kāmina. Ia lia ina oi. Ma ia tuto ina i le sami. Ona ana mai lava lea iate o tau. O ai fai so o tau e ana le au na o sua tia le ele. Po o leo i mamoi. E fai atu ea. Pe a sau o ia mai le vao. Saulo ia ina ta oto e ai. Ai le fai atu ea iate ia. Ina sauni mai a sausua. Ma ia fosi o ofu. I le laulau mai o mea. Se i ai a ea u mainu. E mawai lea i le ai ai o e mainu. E whawhetai atu ea oia i le au na ina ua whaia mea na whai atu ai. Ai lava e le ai. E whapea fo i o tau. Pe a uma ono mea uma na pola ina atu ai ate o tau. Tau te whai ane. O au na le au ngā i mātou nei. Au wā o mea e te tau o na mātou whai. O mea ia o mātou whaia. O le talalele ia le li i.
O le launga, i le suafa mamanu o le atua, o le tamaa, o le alo, male anganga pa ia. Whano noi le anganga o le atua e fio mai. Se i whamatala i o tō whina ngalo o tātou loto. Se o tātou whasoa i le upo le ola, le upo i mamana o le upo fo i mamana. Le ase inati whale anganga o tō mai le so. Pai lea mata oso, tātou fo launga whale anganga. E mese o tātou whai ngā malanga wa iai taimi e le tui ai. Ia o le tua lava e whasoso mai. O le maua le o te lenga o le whamtalanga le nei aso. E tusi mua ia koko lo mta upo e lua lo whai upo e suma le fitu. O te toi whai tawina e whapea. E whapea fo i le whatotua pe a whai le ai ni ngā luenga. E mate lava ia ina wana o ia. Me lea o le autu o tāpena ina e le whai launga. Mune nei aso. E loa lo whatotua i au ngā luenga. O au ngā luenga foi. E loa ai lo whatotua. O le upu nei o le whatotua. Pe le anga whao ngā e le o whai lotu. Whao ngā e le o whai ngā luenga e. Launga e whawhanga i nai. Le soifua o le nuu o le atua. Ma tofu foi le whai lotu ia. Malana winga e whao ngā. Ina ia whapena ona manino, mamala malama. Ai mese i alangona e le tangata. Le tāua le nei foi upu. A whaila e tele na tala noa i aila o whai ngā luenga. Po le au whai lotu. O whawha ngongo tangi au le whaafonga ma le whaalongolongo le o whaatutu. Langa o lea e tala noa mai aila fionga pa ia le atua. O lea tala noa mai aila tuspa ia. O le mataanga e tatau. O na ola a ili tangata soifua. Le tangata ua whaalupe ina. O le atalii. O le afafine o le tua e ala le sakalaneta o le baptisonga. Le foi la ua au mai al nei aso. se fai mamatua o le whamatala. E toi whamanatu e pea i le au kerisiana. Le tāua male ngalue ina o le nei foi upo o le whakutua. Ai aila si au whauinganga e. O le au te au mai. E lui tauina ai le soifua o i tātou le au kerisiana. Tala noa le kakesimo le kalesia, Catechism of the Catholic Church. E mai a tamao le kalesia. Faith is believing in God and what He reveals, and is a total submission of one's will and intellect to God. A total submission of one's will and intellect to God. E tofu tātou ma le whaasamoa ina le fōi whaawinga. Le whaasamoa le auauna tali tonu i le atua. Ma mea ua whaailoa mai e le atua e ao ona e soifua mo tātou wola. Ma i atua atoa o tātou tangata e talia ai le atua. Lona winga e tāua le wha tua i le soifua ma le olanga o tangata. Ai le mawhai o nā lufua na le wha tua. Te tau na iaise mea e pale mai ai le wha tua. A le tala noa mai ai i a kopo le tae au ni. Whai mai ma faufonga o le fwoi tusitana. E tāua wha tua mangalu. Pai mai la tau e popoto i le tusipa ia. O le au te lenga, o le singi, o le au tūlea o mawhauwhaunga o le fo tusitala. Ia fo i ona po, ma ia vai tau. Nā lu i tau wai le au kerisiana. Ina ia ola ma soifua. A le fai mai le whamalo si au. A le tusitala. Se ale o ngā e whai mai e se tasi wa ia te ia le whaatutua. Ai leo ia te ia le ngāna. Ni mai mauri tei. E me la ia leo le lutau o le tusitala pe ono tō whaafonga mwhalongo longo ia. A wha e suru whai mai se tangata matiwa. A wha e suru whai mai se tua oi. E mo mia ni lava lava, e mo mia se ofu, se wha mawhana whana. Pe tangi ala foi se mea ai wanga lala i le fia ai. A o tō whai atu iai, ngā uia o kou marimanguia. Ngā uia mare fia. O ia ina ia mawhana whana. O ia ina ia maona. Aere ai se mea e fō ai atu iai. Fe mai lea o le tusitala. Lea lea ngā. Se a lea ngā. Na ono o lo malele, o ia ia manuia, ia mawhanawhana, ia maona. Aina isen mea fo ina ia, se ala ngā. Ia lai whai mai ai le tusitala i le aso. E whapea fo i le whatuatua, pe a whai ele ai ni ngā luenga. E mate lava ia, pe a na o ia. O le upula whau ngā i le ngangana, Peretania, o tet. E whasa mua le mate na uinga o le seola. O le seola wa pe, o le ngā o ioi. A kilo aku le tūlangi lea ele, e ka le sia pai. Mana ia le whatinonga o ngā ruenga. To tonu le ka le sia. To angata ngata i lea li. Whai mai lea, o ola le whatuatua o le ka le sia. Se e ka le sia i nā mana ia wainu malia i le whatuatua. Ai ati tilo atu le tūlangi lea e mata ngā me whatino le kālesi. Nei se me atangia mai ai ni ngā ruenga le lei. Le ai ni tangata. Whapea lea ua oki le whatuatua o le kālesi. E tai whapea nā le whi au le au mai le so. Whatuatua atua ai mga ruenga. E o tutusa lava le whi au o Iakob. Mane mele fina ngalo ia Yesu le ngeli aluka le safolofola i le so. Fai mai mo onga la wa apostol. Yesu se ye fatu putele ina lo matu fatu tu. E ale tali a Yesu. Ale tu salo to fatu tua ma le fu o sinaki. A foi fata o to Yesu le fai le fatu. Ale pa u le fatu saito ile ele ma pala a fai e pala. E fu a tele mai. Langa mo le fatu a pa u ile ele a fai e pala e pio se me maka ngai wa. E tangu ye pe se me o le hanga. A ole palana e totongo mai ai se la au fo. Totongo mai ai lausius na vele mala au mafala. E tai fa penale fa tua foi le utinga ina. Le fa tua foi le a le tinga ina lo fa tua ale lu tawina lo fa tua. E le fo ise mea tupu mai. E fai mai Yesu ale kusalo ko fa tua ma le force napi. E ma fai ono tu fai atu le nesu ka mina o le la au ia lia ina le sang se vai. Ma ka ukia o le malo se o le fatu. O na ustai mai lea i ati oe. Ta ua tele le fatu tua mai malo si. La wa fionga ti a kono lio ma fatua ia tule. Malo ngā lue. Malo sa ini malo. Malo le tautua. Malo fai o le faiva. A le lewa poto mai le nu o le atua e mori mau. Le lua la uma. Fai pea. I le aso, ma le aso, ma le aso. Wa anga le ingu malia le fatua tua o le kalesia. E ala i le launga o le upu o le atua. Ai longa tula i mai se ngā luenga matango fie whapea. O koe au se masinga mga yaso ngāko kau mawai lea. Tu sai. Ia ma suinga fo iyo. La au al fatua. Lele wa fio mai lua ainga. Moli mau fo i lua ainga i le so. Ke le o lua ngofo. Le fai le lua ngā luenga. Le ale ngā luenga. Vae malima. Le upu soifua le atu. Malo. Pafitai. Fionga te ifono. Le lau. Mta fale fia o le kalesia katoliko subu. Nile wo to se tongi le se wala ngatila. Fapu lo le tuani. O malia le fanga i lau. O malia le fatolo tolongata. O malia fo le papa i ngalanga. O to si fo le falo asomua. To ile maunga. O mafai. Te o mateo. Lele wa to fata unu le fina ngalo le tua e pona ia il fita nga mo le so ya le fatu tua. Le wa to fatino le fina ngalo Yesu. Wa to le si ia le la au kia il san. Si ia le fale fo fatu le mesa ia le fale tua. Ai ngalo fatu tua. Malo punoa. Fa mal si au le fai la au mo tato. Alu ipe. Fai ipe. Wa o mevi I ai le tu. Ai le di I al tomata. Pa monia mai le tu ni aso fa mo le kalesia me se foi la poto. Me se foi I ol fa mo le kalesia. Honor soit for Yesu. Amen. Tato walo atu mo tato taulang. talo tali le ala taulanga malo to le tua le tama ya ma fo mo ka to le ie we foi mai ya ma to lo walo tasi pasa lo mai ma to le ma te fo me ya le talia ma la fo ni ta la una vai la berina ma to yo ma to fa no la ma to le ne yo che riso lo ma to le amen patasi le ni ma to Tato whaftaia le li o lo tato o tua ma o le tua o le soifua e whawabau mai o le malosi malaba o se mitamtanga e whaia e mo mātou le whaftaia lea o la wafia e le whiangai ma oe le mātou vi inga pe taa i o lo mātou mana o ngā fia whaftai i la wafia o lau mea alofa la lea le mātou talo le whaftai le ali e le whaopopo i naise mea i lo lava sili esi ai o mātou mawai le ola i lo walofa tu noa e ala mai ia ke wiso lo mātou wali o le ala foi lea le li e whaatasi mātou ma le au pa ia ma le wangelu malava a o mātou suina ma le fia le pese whaitu mau o lo lava vi inga Velea mo i mātou o le tino mo le toto o lo mātou wali i o Yesu Kewis. A o le tuina atu o ie le oti se oti na iatalia e lo na lava malia. Tango ie le areto ma vatu i lawa fio o le whaafita. Tofi e ia o le areto ma vatu i o na so o ma ia whetala iatu. I nga aftango fia i ayu tu uma. A ai i ayu o lo tino le nei. O le afo i natu mo o tō. Ina wa mai al tau mafutanga. Tango ia le ipu nto e watu i lawa fio le whaafutai ma le vi inga. Watu le ipu i ona so o ma ia whetala ia. Nga aftango fia i ayo to uma e whiinu ma ia. O le ipu le nei o lo toto. Toto le whenga inga fōu ma le whaabawau. O le a whaa ma lingi ina ia ma utou ma tangata uma. Ina ia wha maa ngalo ina ai o angasa. Ia o tō whaia le menei. Le fama tunga ia te. O le misteri o le whakitua. Mātou te momoli a te oe tama. Le areto leo le ola ma le ipu leo le whauta. Mātou te whauta ia la wa fio no le walo ia leo i mātou umalava tutu watu i o lumba ma mātou au na ia te oe. So ni mai a mātou umalava le amala whaanga i le tino ma le toto leo ke riso. Ina ia wha tasi mātou le māwhitanga e tasi e le angang pai.
Lea li e man tuala we ka le si o lo tape le laulangi a toa. Ia mātou ola le lo whatasi. Palan sisilo mātou ta māpaia. Mo seselo mātou a ki pipo male tu ang saum. Ia mai selo nu o pōtu poto mai le nei whai ngā taulang. Ia e manatua o mātou mātua o uso matua whāwhine. Me pelea i mātou fui atu no lātou malolonga. Me whamui mo te tuai. Ia talia i lātou whatasi matangata maliu mal malama o lau fio. Ia e whamea te mātou malawene mātou o ngā mātou te oi whatasi. Le orla e whāwau. Maria tina tāu pou o le tua. Yo se pai alantane ma apostol, pai malau pai ato uma. O en familiena o tupulanga uma. Ma ato te vivane ne fatasi malato lau fio. Ala tu le walo o Yesu Keriso.
Ne tamama na e ono ia fatasi mai ana ia te ia. Ile maftanga maleanga ngapa ia. O le vinga mamalu ato o ila o fio e whababau lava. Malo sine ile tama, ile talo le. Muti vale fa sa matou mai le sala pui pui ai matou mai atu malunga uma a o matou fa atali taliati mai fa mo manuia ile fio mai o matou fa ola o Yesu Keriso. Na fayatu la wa apostolo tu atu ya to le file mu o te fo ya tu mo to o wane esi sila mai ya mato ngong sala o fatu tu o le kalesia fo ai mai le file mu mo tasi o lo malo le wa so fu ai mo fa ba lava ya to malava le file mu mai ile li
It's
fai te mai mamoe le tua o Yesu Kirisi. O le ave se a masala le lanolani. Amuia i la tōpa lau lia le tāli suanga al te mai mamoe le ali. Le a maame ki o mai. A tau la rosa te laina maame o ai. Ele talo fai o le whakaianga o muli. Ia aso au le whaafutai. Le anganga o le whaafutai mo mua e mole a o staulanga. Na wa fionga pa tele patolo te mapule tu ai ngol malisi sa mo nei mo le lolangi atoa. Ia ele wa fio mai tato mo le mawinga le nei aso. Isi foi la fionga pa tele tanielu te mau staulanga o le fionga te mai tai pa le mia. Ia se fa au si umu ya o nga o ya fe au ka ko vi ka dia tule wala u dia mai tato taula aftai lo fio mai. Ia o le fionga ya pa tele Filippo la si la fia. Ia o tato ngā lue whatas, tato mtanga luenga. Pāwhitai le su mai o au au nā lea tua si whatwhai tāula. I tato wawhi anga nei, mo le mawinga le nei wha moe moe pe o nā topain. O whitua e mese fwoi whionga te akono, se soani malato whitua. Fio mai o whionga le li whaitule, o tato tu malo. Pāwhitai fwoi te akono, me whitua me le kālesia, le tāpineina, ni tāulanga le nei asu. Esia u tau sanga tasi ale fia watu tuwia, lau sunga tuwia. Ilonga oyo fefe au uapo to ina fo le tatu tu mango. Musu mai la fionga ti akono ma me lau me le kalesia. La solua se fulo te sema e amatai matu pokalame ta au tolu aso kisimas. E amatatu la inei e fatino tatu fo le fo. E balau dia ai lau sunga, alo ia lau sunga, malau e kalesia. Fai masuyo e kalesia umai tono si. Ia wai mai kako e vai ele afiafile. Ele lei alfa foma mai ole afia. E wa vakusa o ale balau dia de ke sunga. Mas kako pakpaki o leo kania. Kuma ia kako balau dia. Ia me kako kania. Ia nase gosi fulu amai el tatu taulanga. Ia na fio atu le tai tatu fale. Ya mo le fa po yang fa tai fo il tatu ulenga al TV ya mo le fo ya la ta ko ino tatu taulang pa ia o le misa tatu ta na tuai ona le malo si malava ono le nei a reto le ola wa e fa sa lo to inai lo nu me le pule o le ansala mai lo walofa wa e fa fo wina ai o la to malos so so ni mai ni ma to wola tu mau le fa mo moe male mamalu male fatu tua male fa'alango lango male lofa i la wafia e fa manuia mai la fatu tua o fatasi nei taula o la matou o lenga le nei ono ke riso o lo matou o le e ia fatasi le li ma o to o munia tatou malava ele tua e ona le mana uma o le tama le alo male nganga pa ia
amen au ia o to fia marfile po ke riso
le atuai fata
Yeah. Ele sua faltama le alo ma le nganga pa ia. O te whātua i le atua e to atasi. O le tama e ona le maalosi umalawa. O le na whaia le langi ma le lalolangi. O mea ua vaaia ma mea ua le o vaaia. O te whātua i le ali e to atasi o Yesu Keriso. O le alo e to atasi lava o le atua. Le na whanau le tama a o le iwhaia se mea e tasi. O le atua mai le atua. O le malamalama mai le malamalama. O le atua moni mai le atua moni. Na whanaua ai le iwhaia. E winga tutusa o ia ma le tamaa. O ia fo'i na whaia ai mea umalawa. O i tātou tangata ma lo tātou whaolatanga. Nā whio ifo o ia mai le langi. Ma o le anganga pa ia na liu tino tangata o ia i le taupo o Maria. Ma ua aveai o ia ma tangata. O i tātou na whaakolu seinai o ia a o pule ponsi o Pilato. Na maliwai ma whale lawasi. A o le asotolu na toe tua e ai o ia e peo na tusia e tusi. Na awhio ae o ia i le langi. Ma o lo o awhio i le au taumatau o le tamaa. O le ato e awhio mai o ia i le mamalu. E whaamasino i e ola mai e uoti. O lona malo fo'i e le aiso na ngā taanga. O te whātuatua i le nganga pa ia, le alii, o le foa ia le ola. O le e awhio mai le tamama le alo. O le e ifongia ma vi ia whaatasi ma le tamama le alo. O le na whetalai mai e ala mai perfeta. O te whātuatua i le e kale sia e tasi. E pa ia e katoliko ma apostoliko. O te tautino atu le baptisonga e tasi. Mo le whamangaloina o angasala. Ma o te whaatalitali mo le toe tua e o e na o ti. Ma leo langa atali. Amene. Le soafo tama le alu ma le ngang pa ia. Amen. O le tatalo mo le loto foai. Leli ie, se ea o mai a te au le loto foai. Ia ea o mai a te au, ina ia o tautua i lau a fionga. I mea uma e tu sai ma lo fina ngalo. Ia o foai atu o au noa ma se toi manatu, i se taui ma mea ua faaluina. Ia o tau ma le loto tele i le taua. E ui lava ina ua tele ni o manuia. Ia o ngalu e pea ma le maa ele ngā. Ai le o le alo alo fai. Ina ia o maua ai se maa longa. Ma ia o foa i atu lo o maa losi o au noa ma se toe whaatali atu i se taui. Se i tau ina ia i loa. Ua o whaia lo fina ngalo. O la mātou te talo lea, e ala atu ia Keriso lo mātou alii. Amene.
What does a priest know about romantic suppers? I know that's a strange question, but in this episode, we're gonna make a delicious meal just for mom and dad so that they can have a date night out. So important that they do it, and it's important that it be delicious and simple to do. So stick around for some romantic suppers on EWTN's Savoring Our Faith. Today's episode, we're gonna make some romantic meals. We're gonna do almost a little surf and turf. They're gonna be on skewers because there's nothing more romantic than for a couple to feed one another and share their plate. So today we're gonna be making some shrimp skewers, and they're gonna be marinated in a lemon rosemary kind of Mediterranean style presentation. The second is gonna be a beef tenderloin with a balsamic and ketchup marinade. We're also gonna be making a very unique form of couscous. It will be white wine and kind of creamy. And then we're also gonna have to make sure you eat some vegetables here. So we're going to steam some broccoli florets. And then we're also gonna just kind of drizzle it with some red chili peppers and some butter. So let's get started. It's gonna be good, it's gonna be simple, and it's gonna be exactly what the Doctor of Love ordered. Doctor of Love. Who is that? Obviously, it is Christ himself. So we're gonna actually start with the marinade here, and I've got some shrimp and some rosemary. Put that out right now. And I've got the beef, and I will also need some broccoli in the meantime. Yep, I think we're gonna be ready to roll. Putting it all out in order. You know, the idea of a romantic dinner, it just kind of sounds odd for a priest to be talking about it, but the fact is, priests, even though I'm a celibate, I have to understand love, and love requires spending time with someone you do love. All right, what I've got here is a nice little piece of filet mignon. It's probably about a pound and a half. Yeah, I'd say it's about a pound and a half. Maybe a little less. And what I'm gonna have to do with it is just cut it into cubes. And I'm not even going to use the whole thing because I wanna be able to save a little bit of it for later. So, very simple. We've got this beautiful piece here, and I'm just going to cut it in about 3/4 of an inch kind of cube. So 1, 2, 3, there we go. Let's do this. And the cubing basically will make it easier to take off the skewers, so it means easier to share. And the reason why I'm even doing this particular episode is because I want couples to remember, and families to remember, that if you want, season this with salt and pepper, if you want a happy family, it is going to have to begin with happy mom and dad. You know, one of the books that I've been working on is called Spicing Up Married Life. The Spicing Up Married Life basically means we got to make sure mom and dad take time for one another. Okay, the marinade for this is very simple. I'm going to take some of this beef here, beautifully, just cut. We're going to add a little bit of balsamic and also a little bit of ketchup to this as well. All right, these are obviously things that you can find in your own refrigerator. You know, to give it a little bit of brightness, but we don't want to cook it too much, is we're actually going to put a little bit of lemon juice in here as well. Just a little bit, not too much, because the acids will eventually start to cook this out. To give it some spice, what I want to do, here it is right here, is add a little bit of red pepper flakes. The pepper's gonna go onto it next. And a little bit of olive oil. All right. Very simple on the marinade. So, in order for love to really kind of prove itself, you need to spend time with each other. And one of the best ways to do that is obviously going to be through a meal. So mom and dads, you know, as my book is trying to remind people of, need to spend that time with each other because a family's love for one another is only as strong as mom and dad's love for one another. And there's a great temptation to be so busy that you kind of, you lose sight of that. All right, we've got some shrimp here, and it is still frozen. Fear not. There's an easy way to take care of this. Simply just to run some water over it, and we're going to let that sit as I prepare the marinade for it as well. All right, not too hot because then it'll start cooking, and then if it's kind of pre-cooked in some water and soaking, it'll just kind of turn rubbery, and you don't want that. We want pieces of shrimp that are just beautiful and tender. So this just goes in the water. You'll see it eventually break open, break apart. There you go. And then it'll start to thaw out. I'm going to drain this out. But in the meantime, I am going to start prepping the marinade for this. And the marinade for this is pretty simple. And I'm going to actually keep it all in this little bowl right here to keep it all together. The marinade for this is very simple. It's going to be using that lemon, using the rest of it. And if you get seeds in here, not a big deal, really not a big deal, because they're going to fall off when it gets onto the skewers anyway. So let's get that juiced up. Excellent. We're going to now just mince up some rosemary as well as some garlic. Here we go. That's enough. You know what? Let me switch cutting boards, because that's actually just been cross-contaminated with a little bit of the meat juices. So let me put this actually away. Oh, forgot a little piece. That goes in there. Put this back in the refrigerator. Keep that for another meal. I'm gonna wipe my knife down and just give it a quick rinse. As we start this very simple Mediterranean kind of flavored shrimp skewers. You know, Mom and Dad, my mom and dad, I was always so amazed because even though they were so busy, there were times when they just said, you know what, big sister is old enough to babysit you all, or they would get a trusted babysitter and they would actually go on a date. It was kind of nice to know that. They would come back with smiles on their faces because they'd either go to a nice dinner out together or to a show or something where they could just kind of reconnect. And there is a great temptation out there to just stay so busy that you don't spend time with the people you love. You know, that's the whole point of the Grace Before Meals movement and this show, Savoring Our Faith. We got to kind of think, what are the important things in our life and how much time honestly do I spend with them, with those things? So, crushing some garlic now, and we're just gonna mince this up. It's gonna go into this lemon juice. The shrimp continues to thaw out, and you know what? I am going to leave the shrimp in the shells. The heads have been taken off of it, and they've been deveined, and I'll explain what that means in just a second. So, we've got this going. Very simple preparation. I got this recipe from a Greek Orthodox friend of mine. He had a little cooking demonstration in his church, and one of the women there just showed all of us a little very simple Mediterranean style cooking, and this is it. Fresh herbs, fresh ingredients, fresh seafood. It's gonna make for a fresh and delicious meal. All right, so we've got these are kind of thawing out. They have been, for the most part, cleaned. I'm actually gonna have to devein this right now, and so that's what I'm gonna do, is I'm just gonna run my knife flat along here to cut into the back of it, just like right up there. Perfect. And then what I'm gonna do is it'll expose. You know what? Let's make it even simpler. I am going to actually peel all these shrimp just to keep it simpler for everyone. I was gonna leave the shells on it so that you can determine how to cook it. So I'm gonna do half and half just because I wanna make sure you all know the proper way to cook shrimp. So I'm gonna devein deshell some of this shrimp. And so when we come back, you're gonna see how this assembles. I will also put the couscous together, and the broccoli takes but nothing to steam. And when we come back, you'll see how it all comes together for a romantic meal. Mom and Dad, if you're on a date, give you a chance not just to sample delicious food, but even say a very special prayer together. The blessing that's on the table, the food, and also the blessing of the person you love sitting around the table with you. So stick around. There is a saying that the chain is as strong as its weakest link. If mom and dad, two links in that chain, are so strongly connected in love for one another, guess what that's going to do for the family? The young kids are going to see a loving example of mom and dad, which isn't always picture perfect, but part of that love, the forgiveness, the asking of forgiveness, the patience with one another, those are the lessons that children are going to learn, and it will be strengthened if mom and dad's love for one another is strong. Hey, welcome back everyone. I'm actually just skewering up some of these main entrees. So I've got the tenderloin that's skewered up. I've got about 3 or 4 chunks just kind of put in. You'll notice that I actually put the skewers in a little bit of water because as we grill it, I want it to maintain enough moisture so that it doesn't burn. However, since not working with an open flame, I think we'll be okay. Simple way to do the skewers is to kind of keep the head and the tail together, and we're just simply going to go right through. And I told you that we are actually going to do one with the shells off and one with the shell on, just so that you can see what it looks like. And just for presentation purposes, I've got them kind of tucked in, the tail's going one way and then the other way. And the reason why I'm doing that, and this is the one that, you know what, I think I might have, here we go. Switch it around. This actually has the shell on it so that you can see what it looks like to help you determine whether or not it's cooked, all right? So since we've got basically another skewer, we'll just do another third right here. 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, I've got more things going on the stovetop. Marriage and family life requires a tremendous amount of multitasking, and that's exactly what cooking is all about too. We got to kind of pay attention to all the parts. And if there's one part that doesn't get paid attention to, is just that romantic time spent with one another. I don't care how many years you've been married, just spend that time with each other and you'll see like a renewed enkindling of a love. So I've got this bottle of wine that I've got to open up. I'm going to actually put some couscous in. Just follow the instructions on the box, but here's where I do things a little different. I will also kind of cut the liquids in half and add a little bit of cream as well as some white wine to it, season it up with some salt and pepper, and it just kind of brings the couscous to a whole new level. The rule of thumb is that you cook this kind of like a pasta and just make sure that all the water is cooked out of it because we want something fluffy and not necessarily moist. I'm going to add some wine to this now. Just because if you use this wine to cook the couscous, then guess what you can do? You could also drink this bottle of wine with your meal. Since we are working with some seafood as well as some beef that is just so tender and so delicious, I'm actually choosing a white wine. In fact, I'm using a Chardonnay. I actually prefer red wine. But at the same time, some people like a little bit more sweeter wine, so that's what we're gonna go for here. So we're just gonna uncork this, add a little bit of the wine to this braising cooking liquid for the couscous. And couscous doesn't take that long, really, to make. So you wanna keep your eye on it. We're gonna just continue to fluff it up, season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. I added some butter and some olive oil to it as well, just to keep it, how shall I say, moist and tender and not completely dry. So let that continue to cook. And I've got this grill pan going on right here, and I've got the heat on it to a medium level. I'm gonna just spray it with a little bit of nonstick spray. And this will kind of help steam things up, but that's okay. This is a romantic meal. Here we go. I'm gonna put the skewers on one side. Nice sound. This is not going to take long to cook at all. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna just keep these on here for just a few minutes, flip it over, then add the shrimp, only because it just, takes but nothing to cook that up. To kind of cook the broccoli, such a simple preparation. and you'll see me do this quite a bit. It's kind of like a combination of a steam fry. So I've got a little bit of water in here. I'm going to add some olive oil as well. Gosh, it smells so good in here. It's amazing. I'm going to get the heat going on this. I'm just going to add some seasoning to this now. Again, super simple preparations. Salt, some pepper, some red chili pepper flakes. And you know what? I'm going to use a little bit of butter as well. Just a little dab of butter. We got a lot of things going on here, but again, so does marriage, so does love. Just spending some time with one another is the key ingredient to a successful married life. And you know that food is part of that loving relationship. I sometimes think of the Psalms and even just the image of heaven and what heaven is going to be like as a wedding feast. You know, it's Christ constantly reminding us of his love for us is as a spouse to his bridegroom, who is the church. And that's why marriage should represent Jesus' love for his church and the church's love for the spouse. And you know what kind of love that is? A martyr's love. A love that witnesses, a love that literally is willing to sacrifice, a love that is willing to die for one another. All right, I'm going to reduce this heat down here. I kind of joke around with couples, especially when I do weddings. I say, you know, today you are going to put on the second, oh, look at that beautiful caramelizing on that. Today, at a wedding, this has only been, what, like 2-3 minutes on each side. Now I'm going to add the skewered shrimp. 1, 2, oh, that instant garlic, oil, rosemary scent is just, it's an attractive smell. So, back to the story. So, what kind of love, what kind of ring do you put on today? I tell them you put on the second ring of marriage, steaming up, add the broccoli right now to it. Second ring of marriage, which is the wedding ring. The first ring is the engagement ring. Tomorrow, and the day after that, and the day after that, you will put on the third ring of marriage, which I affectionately call the suffer ring of marriage. Why? Because that's the kind of love you vow for one another. And I know that it takes time to cook a meal like this, but I can only tell you that it makes all the difference in the world. A family that says grace together stays together. And that's why I do want to encourage couples to really consider the time that you spend with one another around the dinner table. Taking time to eat together as a couple is truly a sacrifice. And that word sacrifice should be connected to the meaning of love. And we get that from who? Obviously Jesus, who sacrificed for his church because the church is his bride. And what does the church do in response to that love? As evidenced through the martyrdom of the early Christian saints, the church was also willing to sacrifice out of love for God. Let me switch it around here actually. Okay, take a look at this, everyone. You can see it pretty clearly. You can see how the shell right here, this one right here has got the shell on it, starts to turn pink. I leave the tails on it as well so that you can see, once again, how it turns pink. That means that side is basically almost done, and actually it is done. So I'm going to actually kick the heat off of this and let this continue to just cook naturally in its own juices. Goodness gracious. You know, the real problem with this meal here is that if your kids smell it, they will get jealous, and jealousy is a sin. So you know what you do? You send them to your friend's house, and they can have a nice meal on their own. And that's kind of a great idea, as a matter of fact, is be really good friends with other good, faithful-minded couples with children, because they can babysit your kids one weekend, and then You just flip around, they can have their romantic supper as you babysit their kids. Just so full of wisdom here. You know what? This is exactly what we want. We want these to turn this really bright green. I don't like this to get mushy whatsoever. So we've got this thing going on. If you want to kind of be fancy about it and add some continuity to this meal, just hit it with a little bit of white wine as well. It will, with the butter, create a nice little glaze and a nice little sauce. And it will also help to continue to steam. So the shrimp is basically done. The beef skewers are definitely done. I'm just playing with it just to get a little bit more of that kind of grilled action from the sugars of the balsamic and the ketchup. Guess what else is done? The couscous is done. And you know, you could kind of break it up with either a spoon, or you could even maybe use a fork as well. So we've got this all kind of broken up. Couscous. This meal did not take long to make. Admit it. This was a very simple dish. And even though it was simple, it does take practice to kind of keep it all together. And you know what else needs practice? Love. That's why I think it's Jesus' command, not suggestion. He wants us to love one another. And one of the easiest ways to show you love one another is to spend time with each other. And the best way to spend time with each other is around the beauty of a delicious meal. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to plate this couscous right now. This will be obviously enough for two. And there might even be some leftovers as well. So a little mound of that. I'm now going to add around it some of these simply cut, steamed broccoli florets. You know what I'm going to use? I'm going to use my tongs to make this a little bit easier to plate and design. Some of these beautiful juices and these pan drippings from the sauce we want to keep as well. So beautiful. Great. And now, time for the skewers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now time for the shrimp. If I could stick the shrimp straight up in here, it would look kind of cool. I don't know if I can do it or not. Maybe we can, maybe we won't be able to. Look, it's working. And that's the fun part about something like this. You know, you kind of create and you do something fun and special. You do this for your wife, or if your wife is the cook in the family, you do this for your husband. He is going to see this plate and he's going to think, you must love me dearly to invite me to such a beautiful banquet of love. And love and food go together perfectly as the blending of these beautiful herbs and spices and ingredients blend beautifully together. You know what? This might come tumbling down, but that's okay. With a little bit of grace, even if the food comes tumbling down, a little bit of grace means that your marriage stays afloat. So bless this food, bless marriages, bless the time that couples spend with one another, and I hope that this recipe brings the blessings not just on the table, but around the table. We'll see you next time on EWTN's Savoring Our Faith.
le suavai o se oa whaale natura e mana o mia so o se tangata soifua. O lea e te tau ai so o se tangata. O na puti puti ma wha o ngā te tau ina ia maua pe i taimi uma. Ai mai sei vai taimi mo ngā la. E uti uti ai le suavai maua. E wha tau aina le tape o paipa pe a le wha o ngā aina. Wha le lei paipa o lo o liki ma sao mai ai se suavai. Wha o ngā apala popoa. E wha mama hai ipu ma tanga mea. Wha mole mole li poti le pulenga le suavai mo se paipa pa. Samoa, wha o ngā te tau ma wha sao le suavai. Leo na mo i tātou nei. Ai mo a tātou wha nau i le lumanai.
Tārofa lakwa. O le officiale nei o whainu mera wha mauina. O lo iei wha maunga tāua. Mālo i. Mo le manu i o si o tātou atunu.
Whaataita inga. O le wha maunga o le tamau ainga o Samoa. Maona vaenga ese. E au fia ai fe whaatawa inga mātunu i whafu. Masu inga i tau o loa mau au nanga. O nei fe suia inga. E a fia ai tupe maua ma tupe whahalu o tangata lau tele. E mātou te tuu whaatasia fo i wha maunga o tupe al mālo. Ina ia mawhai o na mata i tuina ai. Fuafuanga mamau. Mo le atina i ina o Samoa. E lua se lau ma le 5 afe. 5 se lau ma le 5 spulu fitu. Le whaitau au whai o le tatou watunu. E te sila fia la, o le to o tele o lea whaitau au whai. O ta mai ti pepe a ngā i le se fulu whātau sanga le matitua. O le tā ua o wha maunga nei, e whesosoani le i tupe whahalu o le tatou malo. Au wāti na e tau wa onga. O le whatuptupula ia o le o la o oina. Māti na e tau wa onga. O se tasi lea o i tu e tele ai fo ia wanoa whaingaluenga. Mō tangata nuku o Samoa.
O le ofisa fo ile nei, e restala ina i pepe whanau mai, ma tuu ina tuaila tau pepe whanau. O le pepe whanau fo ile nā, he te anga wa ai e restala mo lau National ID. O nei au nanga tau pepe whaamaonia, e whaafai ngō fia ai o na whaamaonia o e i whale tupe, a onga, whale mai, ma isi au nanga tatou mālo. E sosoani tele, mo e whaonga ina au nanga tau tupe whaamoni. O le ofisa au tua o whaingo mera whaamawina, o loo i whonga whatatasi o le whale o mālo i matangi ala lua, no ona la lai i whatatupi o ati na ai savalalu, ma le manketi sa le logo i savai. E tele isi au nanga whaamaumaumo lo whaatino ina le mato ofisa, ai mo nisi whaamtalanga man whaalawilo atili. Whaamole mole whaasukta i mai le numero telefoni, 102 po isi numero ma i beli o loo lisi ngātu.
Falava Samoa o a usina o ele mo tino pe fa mo 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 o mia mo fatino ino lo restala ia awe te pole e mo so soani mo oi ai tele ia tova mai fatino lo restala siaki mo po wa atoa o bepa fa maunia mo o se fa mauningo tangata no umoni o Samoa pe o le pepa fa nau tu si falawo lo o angapia po se tu si fa maunia e fa ai lo ai o oi o le sitsini Samoa. Lua, Filifili po fele anga vai te whaongaina. A whape o oi o le matai, e mawhai o na restala i le nuu o lo e no mauai, po o le nuu o lo whape o na e matai ai. Ai a whape e le eso matai, ua na o le nuu o e no mauai mo le ono masina pesili atu e mawhai o na e restala ai. A e fia restala i lo swafa matai, e mo o mia lo pepa matai aloa ia. A e fia restala i le nuu no mau, e mawhai o na whamau ni ai vaenga nei. Tasi, laisene aveta avale, lua, pepalisi po le pepal fanua whaatau, tolu, pili al vai po le pili al moli, po o se pepatui o mo na whailonga ina, e mawhai fo iona e susu watu i whale restala o lo o anga i atu i tua, o lo o iaisu i ali imatamai tai o le nunu, e mawhai o na whaamau ni alo no fomau. Monisi whamatalanga wala au mai i le laina vili fua valu o valu bono valu solu, pe asiasi mai fo i le tata o ofisa o lo o moli nuu.
I'm Tracy Sable tonight on EWTN News Nightly. Making headlines, President-elect Trump continues his cabinet picks and lawmakers in D.C. are weighing in. We have the latest from Capitol Hill. Hitting the road. President Biden heads to South America where he'll hold high-stakes meetings with China's leader. Concerning trend. Reports find that since the U.S. election, women are stockpiling abortion pills. We have analysis. Plus, reaching out. The Holy Father meets with hostages once held captive by Hamas. These stories and more tonight.
From EWTN, the Global Catholic Network, this is EWTN News Nightly.
Thank you for being with us. Our top story tonight, just when Republicans were talking about moving quickly on their agenda come January, President-elect Donald Trump now dares them to confirm a string of controversial nominations for his cabinet. Several GOP lawmakers are now casting doubt if that can even happen in a Republican-controlled Senate. Capitol Hill correspondent Eric Rosales joins us now with more. Eric.
Exciting times up here, Tracy. The mood among Republicans on the Hill quickly went from optimism to alarm to even disbelief after President-elect Donald Trump nominated Matt Gaetz to be Attorney General, the nation's top cop. Up until yesterday, Gaetz was a member of Congress facing several ethics charges for having sex with underage girls to elicit drug use, charges Gaetz denies. He's now resigned from Congress just days before an ethics report was going to be released. Lawmakers on both sides are sounding off.
The only reason for Matt Gaetz's nomination is he's a Trump puppet. His loyalty to Trump is the only credible reason that he has been proposed. He will weaponize the Department of Justice for retribution.
I completely trust President Trump's decision-making on this one. But at the same time, he's got to come to Congress and sell himself.
Matt deserves a chance to make his case to the committee. I think he's very intellectually gifted. He'll be asked a lot of hard questions.
Delaware Senator Chris Coons, who's also on the Judiciary Committee with Senator Graham, tells me he hopes and expects to have a confirmation hearing and not allow President Trump to make a recess appointment.
I think it would be a genuine mistake to allow a recess appointment of someone where there is so much question or controversy about that particular nominee.
A recess appointment by President Trump could happen if Congress is not in session. Some say all options should be considered.
We should use those authorities to go ahead, vet nominees, and get them confirmed, as opposed to avoiding the hard decisions that the American people elected us to make.
Another pick raising eyebrows is Fox News host Pete Hegseth for Secretary of Defense. Some lawmakers say he doesn't have the experience in defense policy or to lead an agency, but several Republicans say as a decorated Army veteran, he's fit to serve.
Princeton grad, Harvard graduate degree, actually fought in a couple theaters, and to me, I think he's going to bring a grassroots kind of a point of view to the Defense Department.
You're already seeing some concerns raised by Republican senators, so we'll see what happens. But I'm focused on what we're doing in the next 6 weeks.
The president-elect's pick of Tulsi Gabbard for Director of National Intelligence is also drawing lots of attention. Several lawmakers say that she has significant baggage, notably her support for autocratic leaders such as Vladimir Putin of Russia and Bashar al-Assad of Syria. And earlier this evening, President-elect Trump actually posted on X that Robert F. Kennedy Jr. will in fact be Secretary of Health and Human Services. RFK Jr., a longtime Democrat, joined the Trump campaign after running against him. Bottom line, it's going to make for some interesting television once the new Congress takes over in January and starts up confirmation hearings. At the Capitol, Eric Rosales, EWTN News Nightly.
Beyond lawmakers, former federal officials are expressing concern over Trump's pick of Matt Gaetz. Former FBI Director Andrew McCabe offered his assessment.
The Attorney General is the key player that informs and educates the entire room. We're talking about cabinet secretaries here, people who advise the president on a day-to-day basis. They all look to the Attorney General to be able to tell them what the law says, what it means, how it fits in any particular scenario, and what the challenges are to some of the things that our military, our law enforcement, and our intelligence agencies need to do to protect the United States. And the idea of Matt Gaetz, a guy who maybe practiced law in a small firm in Florida for a year or two before he went into politics, it's just unthinkable that he would be able to rise to the significant demands of that role and to perform it in a way that actually added value to the nation's national security process. So for me, that's the part that really kind of shakes me to my core. Beyond that, there's a million different ways that he could negatively impact the department and its component parts like the FBI in terms of just his misunderstanding and lack of respect for the